We're going to talk a little bit about real estate. Lois Threlkel, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Real estate in Hawaii.
Yeah, so either way they're going to spend money, but if you didn't make it safe, their insurance was going to go up. Okay, so that was a high rises, but after the Lahaina fires, now our state has been officially declared a wildfire state.
Really,
so
the
now,
whole state, no matter where.
All the islands.
So now it impacts townhouses and single family because all of us are made of wood, right? We're wood.
Yeah.
And because we're not a high rise, we're not required to have sprinkler systems. So we're a fire hazard now. So insurance. So we only have 3 primary insurance carriers. Two of them are not taking on any new clients, and the third one is releasing a third.
Wow, what are the people going to do then?
So there's a secondary market. So everybody's insurance is
Sky high.
So this one guy was on this special, and he said his maintenance fee, his insurance went up by 80%.
Oh my God.
And then the
Homeowners.
the insurance lady goes, "Oh, you're lucky. Anybody who's increased 100% or less is lucky."
Wow, 100% less.
I know.